What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Slimeatory. Alright guys, so today I have a very exciting video. So Karina Garcia's pre-made slimes just came out, guys. Look at that, y'all. Do some cinematics, yeah. So I have been waiting so long for these to come out, guys. I am so excited. So she has pre-made slime. So basically it's kind of like her slime shop. So like Target is like an Etsy to her. So this is really cool. I really like it, and yeah. So I am like really curious to see how she's gonna do this, because like, you know, store-bought putties are usually like hard because, you know, they don't want the slime to stick to other people. So I want to know how she did on this, because you know what, it's hard to do this. So I want to see. Okay, anyways, so yeah. And today's like my challenge gonna be try to press the like button with your chin. You guys try to press the like button with your chin, and also make sure you press that subscribe button because we post videos every single day. Yo! We just do a bunch of random stuff, so please join into the squad. I don't know what squad because I haven't named it yet, but you guys can comment down below. And let's get straight on into the video. Yo! So the first we're gonna do, guys, is the Galactic slime pack. We have 4 different packs, and they're like just different series, which I think is really cool. But anyways, let's go ahead and open it. I'm so excited. So you open it, and it comes with 4 different slimes. And by the way, I get this at Target, guys. So all her stuff is at Target, guys. So just saying. Ooh, these look so cool. Okay, these are also scented, guys. I'm really excited for this. That's really cool. Anyways, this one's called Blackberry Blast Off. I'm so excited. Oh, they have seals. I don't like that.
I got you.
Okay, thank you, Paul. I don't like that because I don't like just taking seals off in general, but like that's a good thing to have. Oh, dang, Karina. That smells amazing, guys. That smells literally like a blackberry. Okay, so they're actually really stretchy, like for store-bought slime. They rip a little bit, but that's just so that like they don't melt or anything on people's hands. But like it's really nice, and they have a lot of glitter. Like look at all of that. Okay, well, I really like this one. I love the scent. I love the glitter and like the color. I feel like it just really looks like a blackberry. They're actually really pokey too, not pokey. Clicky. There we go, that's the right word. I really love the scent on this one. This next one is called Martian Marshmallow.
Aww.
There we go. Okay, I'm not sure about that smell. I have no idea what it smells like. Oh, this is the cloud cream one, I think. So this kind of smells more like pumpkin spice to me than marshmallows, but I don't really know exactly what marshmallows smell like, so I guess it's good. But anyways, this one is a little bit harder than the others. This one I think is supposed to be like kind of like a cloud cream one. I don't really like this one too much, but it's pretty good. I feel like it could be a little bit like stretchier, but I really like the color and the glitter and everything. It does look like a marshmallow, so I guess I like it. I think it's pretty good. I just wish it was a little bit more stretchy. Next one is called Green Apple Goo. I really love green apple, like candy and stuff like that. So I'm excited for this one. Ooh, that's really pretty. Oh my god, that smells so good, guys. It literally smells exactly like green apple. She did a really good job on the scent, because usually the scent like makes the slime foggy, but this one is actually pretty clear still, so good job on that. This one is really nice and clicky, and it's really stretchy. Well, for store-bought slime, guys. It has a lot of glitter. It's really pretty. I like the color a lot, and yeah. Okay, this one's really nice. But I think my favorite is still the blackberry. That one just smells so good and is so beautiful. This one is called Milky Way Cereal. And I also think it's really cool how Karina like incorporated a like Instagram trend slime in here, like cereal milk, you know? And she puts foam beads in it. That's cool. You guys think it's gonna smell like Fruit Loops? I'm excited. Oh, no, it just smells like grapes. Okay. This one is really nice. It's like really thick, and this one is, I think, the stretchiest. I don't know. I really like the color, even though it's just white. I don't know. It has kind of like a clear whitish color, and I really like it. It looks cool. I don't know. I like this one. It's really nice. Okay, so from this Galactic slime pack, I'm definitely in love with this blackberry one. It smells so freaking good. Like, it smells like yogurt in it, or like frozen yogurt. I don't know, but it just smells so good. It is so pretty. I'm definitely gonna be playing with this one a lot more. This one is really nice. Okay, guys, so I know how you love your slime smoothies, so I'm gonna do a slime smoothie for you guys. These are so really, like, I love these so much, and I love Karina so much. This is really gonna hurt me, and they smell so good, so I'm gonna do it still. So we're gonna put that over here. Marshmallow Martian Milky Way cereal. And I'm only gonna put a little bit of this one because I really like it. By the way, guys, I'm gonna mix all of them at the end, so I'm gonna put all of like the packs together, so yeah. Okay, so next we're we're gonna do, guys, it's the super slime pack. This one has like metallic and like just basically like extra slime, extra slime. Okay, so let's open it. I love the containers, like they're so nice. I just want to mention, guys, the scents on these are really nice. This one is called Mood Ring heat changing one. This one, you know, changes the temperature. Oh, this is really nice. Oh my god, guys, look at that. Maybe my hands are just really warm right now or something. And if they are, these slimes are really good because they're not melting at all. But anyways, it actually is really, really sensitive because like I've had slime kits and like slime putties from places where like you literally have to like set the slime on fire for it to change. You know, I like to play with my slime. So I don't know about you, but I don't like to play with my slime on fire. This is really, really nice. So this one is from purple to pink and I think it's really nice. Next one is called Metallic. Ooh, this one looks cool. This one is like a silver metallic. This one is jiggly. I did not realize it would be like different textures. Okay, this one is like more like a store-bought slime, but like at the same time, it's still like a really nice homemade slime. Like, whoa. And it has so much pigment in it. Like, I would never put this much pigment. This looks really, really cool though. Like, it's like gallium or something, like melted metal, guys. This one doesn't have a scent, so I feel like all these special slimes don't have scent. Next one is called Glow in the Dark Rainbow. Whoa. Okay, guys, here it is. I'm not such a fan of like the color of this because like I feel like it would look like a lot better if it had like holographic glitter instead of all these glitters, and it's kind of like black too, which isn't very colorful. It's like gray, I mean, and it's not very stretchy. It might just be the glow in the dark powder because I've actually done a bunch of like stuff with glow in the dark powder and that stuff dries the slime out for some reason. So I don't know about this and I don't really like it too much. So yeah, this one also does not have a scent. Next one is called Fire and Ice. Looks really cool. I love how clear these slimes are, guys. Like, they're really clear. I don't think this slime has a scent either, but it does have these like blue diamonds in it and it looks so cool, guys. So it is orange and has gold glitter with blue diamonds and it looks really cool. I really like it. Okay. Now we're gonna put them in the slime smoothie. Oh my god, this is hurting me so much, guys. I got the metallic one, it's so beautiful. The mood one. I am dying, guys. Like, this is hurting me so much. Not so much this one, because I don't really like it. Also, guys, the containers that they come in are really, really nice. Like, they're durable. Next one, guys, is Glitter Slime Pack. Yes! Next one is called Blue Glitter. Very original name. Okay, so this one is Blue Glitter. Ooh, I think this one does smell. It smells like the blackberry and it smells really good. Okay, I really, really love this one. Like, it has a lot of glitter. It's got food coloring. It just looks so beautiful and it's really like clicky and stretchy. I really like that one though. It's really nice and it has a scent and I really like it. Next one is called Rainbow Glitter. This one is like a little better than the other rainbow glitter. This is what I was talking about. Like, I didn't really like that it had a bunch of glitters and like a gray slime. So I really like this one a lot better. Ooh, this one smells like watermelon, I think. I'm not sure. These scents are like a little different, but they smell really good. But anyways, this one's really, really nice. It's very clicky and very stretchy, but I think I like the blue one still. Like, it's stretchier and it smells so good. Next one is called Pink Glitter. Ooh, this one's clear. Oh my god, I think this one is watermelon. This one smells so freaking good, guys. Like, it doesn't smell like the fake watermelon, you know, artificial watermelon. This smells like realistic watermelon. Like, it smells so good. And these scents are actually like really, really strong. I like these slimes. They're really nice, guys. Last one of this pack is the Gold Glitter. So this one is yellow with gold glitter. Oh my god, I think this one is banana. It smells so good. I feel like the coloring in this one should have been like a little bit more yellow because it's kind of like dull. But it has really, really nice glitter. It has a lot and I really like the scent. So yeah. Okay, now we're going to put it inside the slime smoothie, guys. Okay, we're going to put it here. I'm only putting a little bit of this pink one. There we go. And only a little bit of blue one. These so far, guys, are my favorites. I got green apple goo, blueberry, oh wait, no, blue glitter, blackberry blast off, and pink glitter. Those are my favorites, guys. I really love them. Last one, guys. This one is called the Slimy Soda Pack. Pour that out. Oh my god, those look so cool. This one is called Grape Soda. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Whoa, these ones are so nice, guys. They're so glossy too. These ones are really nice and they're really stretchy. Well, I'm not sure about these ones. I'm just saying this one. And that smells like grape. I like the color of it a lot. Like, Karina got the color spot on this one. Next one is called lemon lime soda, so I'm gonna guess like Sprite type deal. Holy moly. This one is like kind of semi-clear, so it's like really cool. And it's yellow and I really like it. Whoa. It smells so good. It kind of just smells like like Fruit Loops. I don't know why, but it really smells like it. Okay, I really like this yellow one. Next one is called orange soda. I love the color of this one. It's like, oh, okay. It's like peachy color kind of. Whoa, this one is so beautiful, guys. This one is kind of like the yellow one. This one smells really, really, really good. I really like the smell of this one. It smells like exactly like Fanta and Crush orange soda. This one is really, really nice. I like this one a lot. I love the color because if you like spread it out, it's kind of like a neon pinkish color. So I really like it. It's like super neon. Last from this packet is called Cherry Cola. I don't really like Coca-Cola, but if it's like a slime and it smells like it, I'm really excited. Ooh, look at how stretchy it is. Holy cannolis! This smells like Coca-Cola. This is so cool. This one is really, really cool. I like this one. It's like really stretchy. Anyways, this one is really, really nice. I really like this Cherry Cola one. Like, what the heck? Like, how did she do this? This is crazy. Oh my God. Okay, let's go ahead and mix these. Oh my God, this is gonna make me so sad. Oh my God. All these slimes are so freaking gorgeous and so amazing. I don't want to mix them, but I'm doing it for you guys. Okay, guys, it is now time for the slime smoothie. These are so pretty. I really, really love them. Karina, can you send me more? I'm just kidding. But anyways, these are so nice. Karina, you did a really, really good job on these. Like, I really, really like them. But I guess let's mix them now. Okay, so. Oh my God. Why did I do this? Okay, well, this isn't mixing too well. Okay, these diamonds are falling out. Oh my God, it was so beautiful, guys. Now it's all gone. What did I do? Smells really good though. It's like a whole different mixture of scents. Okay, well, I guess that's it for that. Okay, well, that is it, guys. You guys comment down below if you want to do a second version of this. Oh, you know what'd be so cool? If I compared store-bought slimes to Karina Garcia's store-bought slimes. That would be so cool because her slimes are amazing. They're so much better than the regular store-bought slimes, so yeah. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much, and I really, really, really hope I see you next time. Bye!